Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to boost your site's visibility? In this video, we will show you how to optimize your Squarespace website for Google SEO, helping you rank higher in search results and attract more visitors. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, the first thing that you'll have to do is basically go to your Squarespace account and open your site that you want to help rank up in the SEO and basically rank up in the Google search. Now we have to understand something. How can we rank up in Google search? What is Google search ranking up in? Well, how does SEO help exactly? So if I want to Google, basically I have written like pizza or something like pizza recipe. Let's write it down. And as you can see here on Google search, there is some pages that are gonna be showing in the first page. So let's say that you have the same concept. Let's say that you have pizza recipe in your site and you are asking and wondering, why am I not showing in this page, in the first page, like the other websites? What is so different about me and them? Well, basically the main difference is the keywords that they are using. So the keywords and basically the pictures, everything they are using here is well SEO optimized. That is boosting them to be ranked up in the Google search. So to do that in your websites, first of all, let's head up to the blog page. Let's say, for example, you are a blogger and basically you have a blog about pizza. So here, let me just get like, just write it. So margarita pizza, and here I'm gonna write down like margarita pizza is a very delicious pizza. To make it, you need few ingredients. So here I'm just writing on stuff. So 1 tablespoon of salt, two apples, I don't know, random stuff, 300 gram of cheese, just random stuff. Apples doesn't count, but yeah. So here I have written a couple of things, but I know and you know that this is very bad. This is so bad that it will not even rank in the top 10 pages. So what I would usually do to actually manage to make this much better, first of all, I will copy this and open ChatGPT. After I open ChatGPT, I will write down I have a pizza, a margarita pizza recipe. Can you fix it to make it better? So here it is. I copied it and I give it to the ChatGPT. So here I have simply, so here like they are telling us what to do. So it sounds like you might aim in for margarita pizza, but your ingredients are a bit off. Margarita pizza is a classic Italian dish, etc., etc. So here I'm gonna simply copy the ingredients and the instructions. So let me just copy everything here, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do is to open a new chat. I have a blog and I want to make an article about margarita pizza. This is the content. I'm gonna paste the ingredients, make it, develop it, and make it SEO optimized. So this is the best thing that you could use the ChatGPT for, is basically to optimize your text so you can be ranked up in this search engine. So here they have changed literally everything. So look, for example, this is something that's catchy: the ultimate guide to making authentic margarita pizza at home. If you are a pizza lover, you know there is something truly special about margarita pizza, this classic Italian dish. So it is working on it. For example, here for ingredients, it's not only ingredient but ingredients you will need. So here it's basically giving us everything optional, and everything in here, like in even preparation and everything, is basically more detailed rather than being simple. So preheat your oven to it's hot, and here it's basically preheat the oven. It makes it so different, so to get that perfect crispy crust, you know how it's literally giving it a lot more detail. So here, this is something that is very highly, that will be boosting your SEO in the search engine. This is very good, and also make sure to have Grammarly on your browser. This will boost and fix any mistake that ChatGPT may have made. So just like that. Here we go. Ask me later. And here there's some other mistakes. You can remove them. Pizza like this. Alright, that's perfect. Also, what you will have to do is to add images between these things. So I would like to highly recommend adding an image here. For example, I'm gonna add it right here, add image, and basically get like pizza margarita picture, and basically gets a really very good looking one that is very delicious. So I don't know about pizzas that much, but I think this one looks pretty good. I'm gonna just take it and I'm gonna simply just drop it in this area, and as you can see, this picture will load, and here it is. Now for the picture itself, what I'm gonna do is, as you can see here, go to the internet file name and basically work on it. Just change it to margarita pizza, and here on the image or text, make sure to write a description that can boost the SEO as well, because this image or text is basically for those who have a bad internet connection. This picture will not fully load for them, so instead of showing the picture, they will see a text. So this text is the alt text, so even like the alt text can be boosting your SEO and making your site very highly ranked in the search engine. So yeah guys, these are the main things that you have to take before you get to start making any blogs in your blog website. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.